guys, welcome to One Question at a Time series. I am Dr. Monisha. Today's question is, which muscles are supplied by superficial peroneal nerve? And here are the options. But before we move on to the options, let's see something about this superficial peroneal nerve. Okay, so this is the view of back of the lower limb. Okay, back of the lower limb, and here you can see the thickest nerve in the body, the sciatic nerve, L4, L5, S1, S2, S3. Okay, here you can see the thickest nerve in the body, the sciatic nerve. Yes or no? The sciatic nerve. Then you can see just above the popliteal fossa, the sciatic nerve divides into tibial nerve. Okay, it divides into the tibial nerve here, which goes to the posterior compartment of the leg. And here we have the common peroneal nerve. Okay, so the sciatic nerve divides into tibial nerve, which goes to the posterior compartment, and then we have the common peroneal nerve. Then near the neck of the fibula, okay, here we have the neck of the fibula, the common peroneal nerve divides into, okay, superficial peroneal nerve. Okay, superficial peroneal nerve, which goes to the lateral compartment of the leg. Okay, which goes to the lateral compartment of the leg, and deep peroneal nerve, which goes to the anterior compartment of the leg. Understood? For the posterior compartment of the leg, we have the tibial nerve. Okay, for the lateral compartment of the leg, we have the superficial peroneal nerve. Okay, and for the anterior compartment of the leg, we have the deep peroneal nerve. Okay, so we should know what muscles are there in the lateral compartment and what muscles are there in the anterior compartment. Yes or no? That is the question, isn't it? So the muscles in the lateral compartment are, here you can see two muscles and the tendons of two muscles. One is peroneus longus and the other one is peroneus brevis. So the muscles in the lateral compartment are peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. Here you can see the tendons of the two muscles in the lateral compartment. Already we have seen that lateral compartment is supplied by superficial peroneal nerve. Superficial peroneal nerve. And we will see the muscles of the anterior compartment. Okay, so the muscles of the anterior compartment are, from here we have tibialis anterior, extensor hallucis is longus, extensor digitorum longus, and peroneus tertius. So we have four muscles: tibialis anterior, extensor hallucis longus for the hallux, and extensor digitorum longus for the four toes, and we have peroneus tertius. Here what you have to remember is peroneus tertius comes to lie in the anterior compartment. So all these four muscles, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are supplied by the deep peroneal nerve. Okay, supplied by the deep peroneal nerve. So coming back to the questions, which muscles are supplied by superficial peroneal nerve? It is only peroneus longus and brevis. You should not get confused with peroneus tertius. Okay guys, thank you.